the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. This is a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor and cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, vlogs, and so much more. Welcome, and let's enjoy today's video. So, good morning, Priceless Family. It's one of those mornings. My mom, my brother, and I all went to eat at this one place together, and all of us are experiencing some things. So, we're going to start the morning off with this. So my plans for today are to take down the fall decor and prep for my countdown to Christmas. So I may be moving just a little bit slower on today, but we're going to turn the camera around. We're going to be a trooper and get as much done as we can. So let's get it. Let's go. So usually I leave the majority of my fall decor up until Thanksgiving. But you know, being a content creator and trying to put out as much inspiration and motivation as I can, I had to make a slight shift. Last year, I got behind in all of the things that I planned to do. So this year, I'm trying to stay on task, and hopefully I will. It's something about a nice warm throw on your couch or your chair that I absolutely love. I also love using pillow covers because it's less bulky than storing 20 or 50 pillows. So I even came up with a better solution of storing my pillow covers and my throws. You want to know what it is? Well, just keep watching. Just in case you were wondering about my outfit of the day. This 3-button designer fleece outfit in Carolina blue and navy blue paisley designs is from the national chain known as Walmart. This piece retails at $16.97, but I found it on clearance for only $8. It is also paired with a sky blue and navy slides, also from Walmart, on clearance for $3. So my baseboards weren't too bad this time, so I just needed to do a quick wipe down, well, sweeping of the baseboards. Thank you. My knees were saved. So if you're enjoying this cleaning inspiration and motivation, you already know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, well, go ahead and subscribe. You'll like it here in my Priceless Pearl family. So that's right, I'm pulling out my Christmas tree. No, I'm not decorating it today, but at least I'm putting it up and preparing it for decorating. And oh yeah, about my TV on the floor. I finally purchased the TV mount. So, Cousin Hubba and Cousin Walter, if you're watching, can you all come and help me mount my TV? Yeah, I need your help. Thanks, cousins. for stopping by for today's video. We cleaned, we dusted, we wiped down, we vacuumed, and we also put up our first Christmas tree. So I always appreciate your support and you stopping by to see what we're doing here on the Johnson Ranch. Now I'm going to take it a little easy, get my strength back, and I'll see you real soon. It's the countdown to Christmas 2023. Make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life.